Hello children, welcome to our science class. In the last class, we have learned about changes around us. Changes which can be reversed are called reversible changes. Changes which cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. Irreversible changes are also known as permanent changes. For the process like heating, burning, mixing and powdering. Today we are going to learn waste generated in our environment. Waste is any substance which is discarded after primary use. It is worthless, defective and of no use. There are unwanted and undesirable materials. This waste is, we can see, household waste and waste from the school. Let us see household wastes. Waste from home is known as household waste. Solid waste disposed from home and apartment comprise of garbage and rubbish. For examples, bottles, cans, clothing, compost, disposable items, food packing, newspapers, magazine and trimmings. So these are the household wastes. So we can classify the household wastes as below. First one, organic wastes. In organic wastes, examples kitchen waste, vegetables, flowers, leaves, fruits. These type of waste are called organic wastes. Second waste, toxic wastes. Old medicines, paints, chemicals, bulbs, spray, cans, fertilizer, pesticide containers, batteries, shoe polish. So these are the wastes are called as toxic wastes because toxic wastes harm to humans and other living organisms. So that is called as toxic wastes. Then recyclable wastes. Paper, glass, metal and plastics. So we can recycle these type of wastes. Then fourth one, solid wastes. Solid waste like cloth soil with blood and other body fluids. So these called solid wastes. Then e-wastes means computer parts, electronic materials and cell phone parts. Then CFL bulbs. So these wastes are called CFL e-wastes. So household waste we can see in 5 types: organic wastes, toxic wastes, recycle wastes, solid waste and e-wastes. See children, 40 million ton of electronic waste is generated in every year worldwide. E-waste comprise 70% of overall toxic waste. This e-waste contains hundreds of substances, of which many are toxic. So waste is any substance which is discarded after primary use, that means worthless, defective and of no use. Okay children, We will see in the next class. Thank you, children.